Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm bugging out, man. I'm taking off for a day or two. I don't even know where I'm going, except I'm going up in a thumb. I'm gonna go rock hunting, and I just kind of sprung it on my husband, and he was like, okay. He's the best. He's just the best. So he said, make sure you check your tire pressure and your oil before you leave. So I'm gonna do it. And you probably wonder, well, why doesn't he do that for you? Because he ain't driving the car. I am. I should take care of my own car. That's kind of what I'm thinking. So let me show you what I have going on in the van. A few new things. Yeah, let's check it out. All right, jackets. I've got my down vest, my Carhartt coat. This sucker is so warm. And then I have my Cabela's jacket with a Gore-Tex lining. This is really warm as well. These are the 3 coats I'll be bringing. This is where I hang everything. It will stay here the whole time. It's like my little coat rack here. It's my little adventure backpack there. This thing is new right here. This is a 12-volt cup warmer. And what I'm gonna do is see how long it takes to warm up the soup that I put inside here. All right, so that is right out of the can. It's a lentil soup, an organic lentil soup. Where I'm going, I think it's gonna be about 45 minutes away. I have a general idea, but I kind of don't really know. I don't even have a plan, actually. I just know the direction I'm going. I'm thinking 45 minutes to the nearest beach that I might want to hunt at, and we're going to see how warm that soup gets in that cup. I purchased that on Marketplace for like $7 or something. But if it works, that's fantastic. So when I'm in the car driving, if I think about it and I need to eat when I get to my destination and I want it warm, well, there you have it. That's the ticket right there. So we're going to see how that works. I'll keep you posted on that. All right, back here, we've got my refrigerator, my BougeRV 23 quart compressor refrigerator. I love this little guy, filled with all my favorite things to eat. Right now it's 37 degrees. It is plugged into my Jackery down there. My Jackery at the moment says 95%, and it is plugged into, follow that cord, way over there behind my Reflectix. Is plugged into the outlet, and that is not a hot plug, so as soon as I turn the van on, the Jackery will start charging. Now, as you can see here, I do have paper plates, napkins, a few spoons, and some tea bags, and that's because if I'm stealth camping somewhere, I need to have access to things I can eat and drink without getting out of the van, because as you all know, my kitchen is in the back of the van, right? So obviously I can't hop out when I'm stealth camping and start cooking in a parking lot somewhere. That's not gonna cut it. So I have to be prepared inside the van, thus having that little place up there above the fridge that has all my paper supplies. This is my portable collapsible sink. My water, my cat litter, those 2 things will stay here, and they'll be accessible, of course, over the bed there. Let's get back here in the van. Let's see what I have underneath my bed here. And of course, you know what this bed is. If you're just joining us and you're new to my channel, this is a Lifetime 4-foot table that I have on the lowest setting down there, lowest leg setting, and I'm gonna be using it for my bed. I haven't used it yet. This is gonna be the first time. We're gonna see how it goes. These are luggage straps, which simply hold the mattresses onto the table. That's just kind of what I came up with there. All right, let's see what we have underneath the table / bed. Okay, far right, that's my Blue Yeti AC50S. That's a 300-watt portable lithium battery. I love that little thing. Behind it is my toilet. On top of that is a little pillow blanket thing, but don't get bogged out because the blanket's on the toilet. The toilet is very clean. It's always sanitized. There's nothing in it, so don't wig out about it. Okay, in here, this little bin right here, I did a review on this a few months ago. This is the Hay Trip trunk organizer, and they reached out and asked if I would do a review, and I did. I really liked it. The only difference between this bin and this bin is this Hay Trip one is a little bit taller, and I had a hard time getting it out from under my Coleman Comfortsmart cot. So I really like this one. This is my favorite one, but this is a really nice one too. Let's pull it out and see what we got going on in here. So this is my bin with all my electronics, all my USB charged things, and as you can see, I'm bringing a little buddy Mr. Heater, a little buddy heater, Mr. Little Buddy Heater guy. What do you call it? What do you call it? A little buddy, right? I've never used a heater in my van before. My husband really wasn't okay with it. He just didn't think it was too safe. He must have been doing some homework on it, because I asked him again and he said that I could take it and use it if I brought a CO detector. So I said, heck yes, I will. Sorry for the noise. My neighbor is in his barn right now. Anyhow, all these things in here are the things I use. My fans, my lights, my speaker, the power cords. So this is going to be my little utility bin while I'm on the road this time around. So this thing has feet on the bottom of it, so it doesn't really slide like the other one. Oh, looks like I turned this on accidentally. There we go. Okay, behind my utility bin is my sleeping bag, and this here is my trunk organizer that I have my clothes and my blanket in back there, my gloves, my hats, everything I'm going to be wearing is in here. This here is my towel. As you all know, I went from huge bath towels and huge beach towels to microfiber towels because they pack up a lot smaller. This is my washcloth, my Vites, and my hygiene bag. This compartment, this time, because I'm by myself, I'm just going to use for dry goods and food and things like that. So this bin is going to be perfect for my adventure this time around, putting everything in it, even food. As you know, I keep my bags in here. I have bags in here and bags in here right now. So this is a great space underneath this bed. And for people that live in their vans full time and need more storage space, this is a perfect place for you to put another shelf so you can have more storage underneath your bed. I don't camp that way. I'm a minimalistic camper. I only bring what I need, and that's kind of how I do it. Anyhow, my reflectix are there. My chair is here. There's my little stool, my little bamboo seat slash table slash stool, and you all know that I just got this, reinforced it in the back with those sticks, and this is going to be my little table for either food, drinks, whatever, but I'm just glad to have another counter space. All I really had was my refrigerator here. So I'm all ready to go. I have everything I need in this van, and I'm heading out. Let's take a peek on the other side of the van here. Okay. So these will be where I keep my shoes right now. If I end up, getting everything muddy and all wet, both of these shoes are going to go up in the front seat on the floor because I have a rubber mat up there. Anyhow, this is it. Oh, what do you think about that? My napkin holder. I love this thing. Now this napkin holder normally is right here on these loops, but unfortunately I can't use it there right now because I love this table too much and I'm going to need it this time around. If I hung this here, it would come down so low and I wouldn't be able to use the table. So it's just going to stay here for now. And that's that, guys. Okay, well, I'm not going to bore you with a road trip talking to you and wasting your time. I have to mention something, by the way. Somebody said, you talk too fast. Sometimes I do. I know I do. But guess what? I'm very conscientious of your time. I don't like to waste people's time. I like to get the point across. I want to give you information, and I want to let you go on about your day. I don't care to just take up your time with idle chit-chat and whatever. That's just not my jive. That's not my jam, and that's not how I operate. So I'm really sorry if that kind of bothers a couple people, but I don't mean to do it to be rude or anything. I just want to get the information out. I'm here to help you. Everything I learn, I like to share with you, and in turn you can share with your friends. And that's that. All right, so bring what you need, not what you think you might need just in case, because that is where the clutter begins. And I, for one, do not want to be a cluttery van camper. No. All right, guys, I'll catch you later. Until then, see ya.